It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Jack Ure remains in a Dutch prison after his last appeal was turned down. It still remains at a 6-year sentence. Tess is gonna be a mommy again. Congrats, guys. We can't wait to see the little one. So Riri is not only about the Grammys, she's now up for an Academy Award for her recent single, Lift Me Up. Okay, good luck, Riri. Spice is back. Yes! So the queen of the dancehall is set to make her 2023 debut in Cayman on March 25. We wish it was here, but we're just glad to see her up and running again. And finally holding the spot this week, FBI called in to investigate the missing money. Oh, look here now, I really hope the situation is sorted because it not look good at all, okay? Hoja. Well, that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for all the entertainment info.